Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Hira Hamayo and I welcome you all on behalf of AFAQ online learning platform for the new Sun series Maths Grade 2. This video is for you if you are a student, a teacher or a parent. So before starting, let me tell you what makes AFAQ unique. That is planning, because without planning you cannot achieve your goals. That's why AFAQ have made academic calendars for you. We have 3 periodic terms and each term is divided into 2 periodic units. That's not all. AFAQ have also designed a suggested timetable for you according to the weightages of subjects. And you could adjust this timetable according to the timetable of your own school. So students, let's start unit number 1. So overview of today's lesson is, today's lesson fall in periodic term 1, periodic unit 1, that would be covered in periodic weeks 1 to 5 of textbook unit 1. So our first unit is about whole numbers, and it is having 14 SLOs that would be covered in this video lesson. So students, it is time for an exciting activity. Are you ready, students? So let's get started. So in this lesson, we are going to cover only one SLO, and the methodology to cover this SLO has been given in DLB 1 of day 1, week 1 of unit 1 of term 1. So students, let's have an introduction. Here's Ali and here's Umar. They both are neighbors. Ali is saying Assalamu alaikum, how are you? And Umar is replying Wa alaikum assalam, I am fine, thank you. So whenever you meet your neighbor or someone in your school, you should always say Assalamu alaikum to them. So here's again Ali and Umar. They both are having a conversation in which Ali is asking which grade and section you are in. And Umar is replying, I am in grade 2, section A. So student, here's a worksheet for you about your self-introduction. What you need to do is that you need to paste your picture over here, answer these following questions about yourself. Now pause this video, solve this worksheet and resume it right after 1 minute. So students, I hope that you have done the worksheet about your self-introduction. Now let's move to our lesson. So in this lesson, we would be covering only one SLO, that is about write ordinal numbers from 1st to 20th. And to cover this SLO, the methodology has been given in DLP 2 of day 2, week 1, unit 1 of term 1. So students, here's fun time. Are you ready to have some fun time? Here's Ali and here's Umar. They both are having a conversation. Ali is asking, let's have fun finding our classes from the playground. Umar replied, it's great, my class is second in the left row from the playground. Now students, you are supposed to find the position of your class from the playground. So students, I hope that you have found the position of your classroom from the playground. So now let's move to our next activity. So in this lesson, we will be covering the SLO, that is about write ordinal numbers from 1st to 20th. And to cover this SLO, the methodology has been given in DLP 3, day 2, week 1 of unit 1 of term 1. So here's an exciting worksheet for you. What you need to do is that you need to count these animals and find their positions. You need to start counting from here. 1, it is like you're going to count it like 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and then go down 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, and then go down from here 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. Now what we are going to do that we are going to find the position of wolf. Wolf is in dash position. So let's find where is the wolf. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. Now you need to write 14th over here, and how you would write that? Write 1, 4, that is 14th, and add TH with that, and it would be the ordinal number of this picture. Now, let's move to the next question, that is, curve the 6th, 13th, and 19th umbrella from left to right. Go from left to the right. So let's find the 6th one. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. So you need to color this 6th umbrella over here. Now pause this video, solve the rest of them and resume it right after 1 minute. So students, I hope that you have done the previous worksheet. So now let's move to our next activity. In this lesson, we'll be covering only one SLO, and to cover this SLO, the methodology has been given in DLP 4 of day 3, week 1 of unit 1 of term 1. So students, now open up your book page number 2, and on this page, let's observe the position of the animals and birds. So let's observe the position of lion. The lion is on the 1st, the sparrow is on the 2nd, the panda is on the 3rd, and the peacock is on the 4th. Now pause this video and read the rest of the ordinal numbers in the presence of your parent or your teacher. So student, I hope that you have read the book page 2 with the help of your parent and teacher. Now let's move to our next activity. So in this lesson, we will be covering only one SLO, that is, write numbers 1 to 20 in words. And to cover this SLO, the complete methodology has been given in DLP 5 of day 4, week 1 of unit 1 of term 1. So students, now open up your book page number 4. Let's read the numbers and the number names. I told you that numbers also have their names. Like number 1 having its name, that is ONE1, then 2 TWO2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. They all are having their names. Now and then 11. Now let's go to number 12. You could hear the sound of 2 in number 12. And then you could hear the sound of 3 in number 13. And after that, number 14 is also having the sound of number 4. 15 is also having the sound of number 5. So it would be just a little bit difficult for you to learn them till number 15. But right after 15, the numbers are same, like SI6, X6, and then you just need to add teen with it. Then 7, and at the end you need to add TEE and teen. And so on, it would go the same till number 19th. After that, you need to learn the spelling of number 20, TWENTY 20. So students, now pause this video and read this number name with the help of your parent or your teacher. So students, here's a worksheet for you related to your book page number 4. It is about write the numbers for the given numbers in words. Like here's number 14. So let me give you an example that how to do it. So like this you are going to write over here. Like for 14, I have written 1, 4, that is 14. Now solve the rest of them with the help of your parent or your teacher. So students, I hope that you have done the previous worksheet with the help of your parent and teacher. Now let's move to our next activity. So in this lesson, we'll be covering only one SLO, that is about write numbers 21 to 40 in words. And to cover this SLO, the complete methodology has been given in DLP 6, day 4 of week 1, unit 1 of term 1. So students, now open up your book page number 5. So on this page, they have given us counting from number 35. So you could take help from your previous page to find the counting from 20th to 34. On this page, you could see that here is number 35, THIRTY 30, and then they have written the spelling of 5. So it is easy for you to do that. You just need to learn the spelling of 30, and then the rest of them are same, like 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And then the number would be changed on 40. So the number name would be FORTY 40. Now pause this video, take help from page number 4 and 5 to work on this SLO. So students, I hope that you have read numbers from 1 to 40 in the presence of your parent or teacher. Now let's move to our next activity. So students, in this lesson we'll be covering only one SLO. As you know that we have done the counting names till number 40. Now we are going to count number 41 to 60 in this SLO. And to cover this SLO, the complete methodology has been given in DLP 7 of day 5 of week 1 of unit 1 of term 1. So students, now open up your book page number 5. As you know that we have done counting till number 40. Now we are going to start from number 41 and going to till number 60. As you can see that there is a fact about counting, that here is number 40, and in the next digits what we are going to do, that we are going to use 40 as our tens till number 49. But after number 49, there would be one more ones added in number 40, and it would be coming number 50. And then after, in the next digits, we are going to use number 50 as our tens. But the counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means all the ones would remain the same. Now pause this video and read the counting from number 1 to 60 in the presence of your parent or your teacher, and resume this video right after 1 minute. So students, we have completed our 1 week successfully. I hope that you have learned the counting from number 1 till number 60. Now we are going to start our week 2. So let's move to our activity time. In this lesson, we'll be covering only one SLO. As you know that we have done counting till number 60. Now we are going to start from number 61 and going till number 80 in words. So to cover this SLO, the methodology has been given in DLP 1 of day 1 of week 2 of unit 1 of term 1. So students, now open up your book page number 5 and number 6. As you know that we have done counting till 60, now we are going to start from number 61. As I told you that we are using this as our tens. Tens would be remaining same till 60 9. Only the ones would be changed. And after number 69, one more would be added in 69 and it would become 70. That is the 10th value. Okay, now pause this video and read the counting till number 80 and resume this video after 1 minute. So students, I hope that you have read the counting till number 80. Now let's move to our next activity. So in this lesson, we will be covering only one SLO, that is write numbers 81 to 100 in words, as we have already done till number 80. To cover this SLO, the complete methodology has been given in DLP2 of day 2 of week 2 of unit 1 of term 1. So now open up your book page number 60. We're going to start from number 81 and use 80 as a tens, and the rest would be ones that would be changing till number 89. And on number 89, one more would be added and it would become a 10th, that is number 90, N-I-E-N-T-Y, 90. And gonna go till number 99 by taking the 90 number as a 10th and rest are ones. Now on the number 99, you would be adding one more number in 99 and it would become 100. So till number 99, the tenths would be same, only the ones would be changing. And here you need to learn the spelling of number 100. That is O-N-E-1-H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Now pause this video and read this in the presence of your parent or your teacher. So students, I hope that you have learned the names of the counting till 100. Now let's move to our next activity. In this SLO, we are going to write numbers 1 to 100 in words. We are going to learn how to write the numbers from 1 to 100, and to cover this SLO, the complete methodology has been given in DLP3, Day 2, Week 2, Unit 1 of Term 1. Now open up your book, page number 4. We are going to start from page number 4 and going to go till page number 7. You need to revise all the numbers that we have been doing. Pause this video and read this number and write this number from number 1 till number 100 and resume this video right after doing this work. So students, I hope that you have right numbers from number 1 to 100. Now let's move to our next activity. So students, in this lesson, we would be covering only 2 SLOs, and that are about read numbers up to 999. As you know that we had done numbers till 100, now we are going to do them till number 999 and write numbers up to 999 as numerals. And to cover this SLO, the complete methodology has been given in DLP4 of day 3 of week 2 of unit 1 of term 1. Students, now open up your book page number 8. Here you can see that here are small cubes. Each small cube represents 1 ones and 10 small cubes make 1 10. That is represented by a block. So here is a fact that I'm going to tell you, that 99 is the greatest 2-digit number and 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. So here they have 10 tens together make 100. If we have 10 blocks, then we can get that number 100. And then after making those 10 blocks together, we are having 10 tens, that is number 100. So this represents 1, this represents 110, and this whole represents 100. So students, now let's move to our next activity. Okay, so students, in this lesson we are going to cover only 2 SLOs, that is read numbers up to 999, write numbers up to 999 as numerals. And to cover this SLO, the complete methodology has been given in DLP5 of day 4 of week 2 of unit 1 of term 1. So students, now open up your book page number 12. Here are a few questions for you. First one is count in tens and write the missing numbers. So here they have given us some tenses and the numbers are missing. Here is number 10. We're going to write the missing number, that is 20. And then after that 20, it comes 30, 40, and then so on. Now let's move to the next question. Here, count in hundreds and write the missing numbers. Here they have given us number in hundreds. We have 100. We know that after 100 it comes number 200, and then 300, 400, and so on. Now let's move to the next question. In this question, write numbers for the following number names. 359. So 300 is at the place of 100, 50 is at the place of tens, and 9 as the place of ones. So you are going to write here 359, ones, tens, 100. Now let's move to the next one. is write the numbers shown by these blocks. As you know that this big one represents 100 and these blocks represent 1/10. Each block represents 1/10 and each cube represents 1 ones. So together we have 1, 2, 300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60 tenths and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So students, now pause this video and solve this page in the presence of your parent or your teacher and resume this video right after 1 minute. So students, as you know that we have done your book page number 14, so here is a worksheet related to your book page number 14. That is about write the missing numbers. We have number 309 over here. What comes after 309? It's come 310. So we are going to write 310 over here and solve the rest of them. Then write numbers from 400 to 450. What comes after 400? It comes 401. So you're going to write over here 401. That is 401. And rest of them are the same till 450. Now pause this video and solve the rest of missing number and resume this video right after 1 minute. So students, I hope that you have done your activity. Now let's move to our next activity. So students, in this lesson we are going to cover only 2 SLOs, and to cover these SLO, the complete methodology has been given in DLP 6 of day 4 of week 2 of unit 1 of term 1. So students, here's a worksheet for you. Write the missing numbers in the given sequence. You need to fill in the blanks. The next one is write the numbers 591 to 650. Here's number 591. What comes after 591? You all know, that is 592. Then you are going to go down till here and then start the next line from here and so on till 650. So students, we have successfully completed our 3 weeks with the AFAQ Sun Series Mathematics Grade 2 of unit number 1. I hope that you have learned all the concepts very well. Now your teachers would be taking your assessments for these lessons. We'll be meeting in the next video, inshallah.